Recently, a lot of people have been asking me if I know of any image editing platforms that could be used for products or creating designs and different kind of posters. And I recently discovered PhotoRoom, so I thought I'd share it with you all today. If this is your first time here, my name is JI, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So as you can see, once you sign into PhotoRoom, you'll be brought to this page here. I'm going to select a photo, which is going to be an AI generated image I made as a mock-up for a Nike trainer. Cool, so I've just imported this mock-up that I made of a Nike trainer, and as you can see, they've already removed the background, which is pretty cool. Now I can start putting it in different sort of locations. So let's say, for example, I want to generate an AI background to go with this. Let's say, for example, I want to create a background. Let's go with what would look cool with this? How about a mountain range? Let's go with that. And I want it on a, let's say on a, we can do it on a glass surface. Yeah, that sounds cool. Let's generate this image. Sweet. Whoa, look at this. Wow, that's just amazing already. This looks very cool. Then of course I could animate this with just like a nice rotation using a video editing software or AI video generation software and just like make this move, which would be so cool. Yeah, this is a really nice example. So yeah, definitely check this out. There's a whole lot of stuff you can do as well. You can also insert different kind of shapes, frames, graphics into it. You can import an entire brand kit. Of course, you can add text. You can use some of their templates and you can resize. But yeah, definitely check out PhotoRoom. Yeah, really cool one that you can use to start getting some product mock-ups done. You could also potentially use this for social media and yeah, to promote a particular brand or any sort of product or potential service that you've got. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.